Hidden Gems of Panama. Panama, country of Central America located on the Isthmus of Panama, the narrow bridge of land that connects North and South America. Embracing the isthmus and more than 1,600 islands off its Atlantic and Pacific coasts, the tropical nation is renowned as the site of the Panama Canal, which cuts through its midsection. It is equally well known for its natural beauty, its plant and animal life, which is said to be 3 times more diverse than the United States, Canada, and Europe combined. There are 10,000 different plant species native to Panama, including 1,400 variations of orchids, 678 ferns, and more than 1,500 types of trees. It is also famous for its vibrant music and culture. Like any other Latin American country, Panama has a rich tradition in the culinary arts as well. Panamanian food is similar to that of the Latin American countries but is not particularly spicy. Panamanian cuisine often includes corn in many forms. Cooking is done mainly in fish oil. Fish, seafood, and shellfish dishes are Panamanian specialities. While the country is known for its famous canal, its natural attractions include birding, whitewater rafting, and snorkeling tours. Let's have a look at some less explored places of Panama. First, San Blas Islands. The San Blas Islands are a collection of islands of the Caribbean coast. They are self-governed by the indigenous Cunayala tribe who speak Tulekaya, their own language. A popular backpacker destination on the route between Colombia and Panama, the islands are slowly becoming a tourist spot. During their visit, the tourists can enjoy sunbathing on the pristine palm-lined beaches as well as swimming, snorkeling, and diving among hundreds of tropical fish species. Hiking trails amid lush vegetation offer views of colorful birds and calls of howler monkeys. Visiting the Cunayala Islands is a good way to learn about their language, traditions, music, and distinctive dress. The tribe members often host festivals and dances as well as sell handicrafts, which make good souvenirs. Second, the Darien National Park. Being considered as the drug smuggling corridor between Panama and Colombia, this UNESCO World Heritage Site contains an exceptional variety of habitats: sandy beaches, rocky coasts, mangroves, swamps, and lowland and upland tropical forests, which contains remarkable wildlife. It is home to many poisonous frogs, coral snakes, scorpions, and spiders. The hike in this national park is not made for everybody. As you walk in the mud, you may discover fresh jaguar tracks, spot some of the most extraordinary birds you have ever seen. Though it's hazardous, if you find a local guide and prepare for the adventure, hiking the Darien Gap will truly be one-in-a-lifetime experience. Third, the Baru Volcano. It is a dormant volcano and one of the only places in the world where you can see both the Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans at the same time. Close to the beautiful mountain of Bukit, the volcano is a coveted attraction but also an extremely challenging hike. In order to make it to the summit before the sun rises high above the clouds, many people choose to start climbing around midnight. Fourth, Island Hop in Bocas del Toro. Home to some astonishing natural wonders, the archipelago of Bocas del Toro is a sanctuary of raw beauty made up of 9 main islands and hundreds of islets and cays. The best way of getting to know the tropical chain of islands is to get on a wooden motorboat in Bocas town on the main island of Isla Colon and travel from one island to the other. You will discover paradise beaches, exotic marine life, the coral reefs of Zapatilla Islands, subterranean lakes, and dolphins playing along the shores where the warm waves meet the mangroves. Fifth, Torrio Veraguas. Veraguas is the only province in the world that coasts 2 different oceans. Wander down the Azuero Peninsula to the sleepy town of Torrio for surfing, hiking, or simple beach relaxation. It's an easy drive from the hub town of Santiago on a finely paved road. Sixth, Isla Canas, Los Santos. This small island just south of Pedasi in Panama's Azuero Peninsula is a gem waiting to be discovered. It is the home to a thriving native population, some of the most secluded beaches in the country, and the nesting location of giant leatherback turtles. So, here we come to the end of the article. I hope you enjoyed the article and would like to explore some unique places of the country.